Traditional paint arresters take up a lot of space. This translates into high freight costs, high storage costs, and high disposal costs. Here, we have a box of paper paint pads, polyester pads, and smartmedia pads. This box weighs 14 pounds. There are 70 paper pads in this box, each 5/8 inch thick. Most painting operations use 2 of these pads together, so this is effectively 35 usable pads in this box. This box weighs 8 pounds. There are 30 polyester pads in this box, each 1 inch thick. These paper and polyester pads cannot be vacuum packed without damaging the pad's ability to work properly. They have little or no memory after vacuum packaging. Now, let's look inside the 7-inch high box of smartmedia. This box weighs 21 pounds and contains 100 pads. Once taken out of the pack, each is 2.5 inches thick. In each of the master packs, there are 50 pads. Here are 50 smartmedia pads in a fraction of the space taken up by the paper and polyester pads. By simply opening the bag, as you can see here, smartmedia immediately springs back to its original manufactured thickness of 2.5 inches, ready to use. Here are 25 pads. Here we have another 25 pads ready to use. Here are 2 more packs of 25 pads, still compressed to only a few inches thick, not taking up space until you need it. Saving space, saving you dollars. Here we have 70 paper pads in a box this tall. Remember, most customers use 2 of these together, so effectively that equals 35 pads. Here we have 30 polyester pads in a box this tall. Here we have 100 smartmedia pads in a box this tall. That just shows you how much space you can save with smartmedia. There's no comparison. All of our smartmedia product is shipped in only 2 box heights, 5-inch tall or 7 inches tall, depending on the bulk of the products. Smartmedia is also available in whatever size blanket you require to custom fit the space in the booth you have, thereby eliminating the labor to change each pad. Here we have a typical smartmedia blanket. Depending upon the type of paint arresters that you're using, smartmedia can reduce your freight and storage costs by as much as 70%. Too often, the freight costs of getting the product to your door is overlooked. With today's high freight costs, smartmedia can offer you very significant reductions in total costs. How about handling and storage space? Smartmedia cartons are palletized for quick receiving and compact storage until ready to use. In fact, this compact, easy-to-handle pallet contains 3,600 pads in just 36 boxes. It would take approximately 102 individual boxes of paper pads and 120 boxes of polyester pads to equal the amount of material on this smartmedia pallet. Can you imagine the additional labor and storage space to unload, receive, store, inventory, and dispose of 102 to 120 boxes versus 1 pallet of smartmedia? Environmentally, the raw material to make paper pads comes from trees. The raw material to make polyester pads comes from oil. Now here's something to keep in mind. Smartmedia is made of glass fibers, which comes from sand. Plus, it takes a lot more cardboard to package the paper and polyester pads than smartmedia. As we saw with the first stage exhaust pads and blankets, SmartPack dramatically cuts the cost of shipping, storage, and disposal of second stage bag filters. These typical polyester second stage bag filters cannot be vacuum packaged without damaging them. There are 16 Smart Pocket bag filters in this box. The Master Pack contains 4 vacuum-sealed bags. In each bag, there are 4 filters. As you saw with the Smart Media, the filters immediately spring back to their original shape. This translates into a significant freight, receiving, storage, and disposal cost reduction. All of these savings add up to only part of the story. Smart Media is state-of-the-art engineered progressive density construction to give you the same or higher paint removal efficiency and longer life. In summary, with Smart Media, you save money and improve filtration. What a smart idea!